Hello guys, a very warm welcome to the Lawyer Talks Education. Myself, Advocate Raja Kumar. Today we are going to study 20 more powerful legal terms that every advocate should know. So guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the important notifications from the Lawyer Talks Education. So guys, in earlier lecture we have discussed 20 most legal word meanings. So if you have missed the lecture, kindly go and study these lectures. After that, I am going to discuss 20 more legal words that will be most important for the law professional. So without delay, I am going to start the lecture. So guys, once again I repeat, if you are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that we will get motivation from your subscription. So guys, without delay, I am just going to discuss the word obiter dicta, means a statement made by a judge that are not essential to the decision. Why it's matter in the legal scenario, not binding but often persuasive. So guys, you are aware about the fact that obiter dicta means. So, and 22 words is mens rea. Guys, it's a very common term and always used in the criminal cases. Mens rea is very important, and you have already read in the study in very deeply in your legal classes. So guys, mens rea play a very vital role in the establishment of the crime. So guys, mens rea is the guilty intention or mental element of a crime. Why it's made central to the most criminal prosecution. So mens rea is very important concept. Without mens rea, no one can become a good lawyer, criminal lawyer. So you guys do your research on the topic mens rea and search the cases on the Google Chrome, and study about the applicability of the mens rea. Now, the actus reus, it's also very important concept in our Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and earlier IPC. The actus reus is the physical act or unlawful omission constituting a crime. Means that why it's matter criminal liability often requires both act and intent. Mean that if any person done any criminal act, then they have mens rea and actus reus. Without the absence of any mens rea and actus reus, they cannot commit the crime. So the mens rea and actus reus is play a very important role in the establishment of the crime that is done by the persons. And the 24th one meaning is also very important, guys. So liability is legal responsibility for an act or omission. Why it's matter the main issue in many civil matters. So liability plays a very important role in the civil cases, just like a civil disputes. So if you go and learn some judgment about the liability, then you will better understand. So guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe. I just again repeating that if you will subscribe our channel, then you will get lot of important notification from our channel. So the 25th word meaning is negligence. So negligence is a very common word that often used in our judicial system. So negligence, you guys also study in the tort law that how negligence play a very vital role in the tort. Failure to exercise reasonable care. What's matter core to tort professional and accident litigation. So it's a very important, guys. Go and do search on the cases of negligence, so you will get better understand and all. So 26th word is a tort. Tort, guys, you all aware about a tort. That tort is a civil wrong giving rise to a claim for damage or relief. Why it's matter important for personal injury and compensation cases. So guys, I have already discussed the meaning of torts in earlier lecture, which is bilingual, Hindi and English both. And it's and this lecture is in English. So I am going to discuss 27 word meaning damages. Damages is money awarded as a compensation for loss or injury. Why it's matter understanding heads of damages improve advocacy. Now 28 word meaning compensation. Payment intended to make a good or a loss suffer. Whites matter often the practical goal of litigation. So guys, compensation plays also very important role in the civil matter and in criminal matter too. So it's basically used in the civil matter and uh, now I am going to discuss the injunction. Injunction is also a very important word meaning. So guys, without delay, you go and search on the Google case related to the injunction. A court order requiring a person to do or stop doing something. Whites matter often more urgent and valuable than damages. Interim relief. So temporary relief granted before final decision of the case. Whites matter can protect a client before trial. So interim relief is basically mean that the temporary relief granted before final decision, and it's a court discussion that it will the court will give you a interim relief or no. The 31 word meaning is the stay. Stay, guys, you are already aware about the fact that what is the meaning of stay. Stay means an order of suspending proceeding or enforcement. Why it's made useful for controlling timing and preserving right. And the 32 word meaning is decree, the formal expression of adjudication in certain civil proceeding. Why it's matter important for execution and enforcement. Decree is the, you guys, a very important concept in civil procedure code. You deeply learn about what is decree, what is order, what is the formal decree and all that. So go and search about the cases of decree. Order. Order, 33 word is order. Order is a formal direction or command of the court. What's matter, many procedural wins come through orders. Executions, guys, very important word meaning. Executions. So execution means the process of enforcing a decree or judgment. What's matter, winning the case means little without enforcement. Sorry guys. Now I'm going to discuss the appeal. Appeal also play a very important role in the court proceedings and all. So a request to a higher court to review a lower court decision. What's matter, requiring a strong understanding of errors in the act, law or fact. So basically the trial courts are always review the trial court's order can be reviewed by the high court. The 36th word is revision. Revision means supervisory correction by higher court in limited circumstances. Why it's a matter? Useful where appeal may not be available. So revision also play a vital role in the proceeding. So 37 word meaning is the review. Review means reconsideration by the same court of its own decision on limited grounds. Why it's matter technical but sometimes highly effective. So guys, you go and search the cases related to review and read all the cases so that you can easily understand the concept of the review. The 38 word meaning is the writ. Writ, you already aware about a writ. Our constitution provide 5 kind of writ, which is deal by the Supreme Court, and High Court also provide a writ, and you can High Court can issue writ in the any matters. So you know about the concept of writ. A formal written order issued by the court. Why it's matter crucial in constitutional administrative litigation. 39 word is mandamus. Mandamus is a kind of writ, a writ commanding a public authority to perform a legal duty. Why it's matter powerful against administrative inaction. So guys, go and search the 5 kinds of writs which clear your concept that what is actual, how actual writs work in the case proceedings. And certiorari, a writ used to quash an order or decision of lower authority. Why it's matter important in judicial review. So guys, I have already discussed 20 more word meanings. So guys, if you are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe and press the bell icon without any delay so that you can get important notification by the Lawyer Talks Education from the Lawyer Talks platform, and you will not miss any updates which is very relevant for you. So guys, stay connected with us. Thank you.